And now, First Warn 5 weather with meteorologist Alan Shoemaker.
And it's still a pretty quiet day out there so far across the valley. We still have the same flood warning continuing mainly for eastern Hidalgo County and nearby areas of western Cameron and Wilson counties. These are the areas that had some of the worst flooding from the hurricane and then some rainfall last weekend. So if you are traveling in these areas, watch out. There could still be some flooded fields, some flooded roads or closed roads, but no rain falling there right now. There are a couple of little sea breeze showers trying to form. If you watch the sea breeze kind of coming in about right here on the map over the last hour or so, spotting or starting to cause a few spotty showers along the Baitwaters. You see 1 or 2 in southern Kennedy County and briefly in Wilson County, but not a lot of rain able to come down today. The air doesn't have a lot of moisture in, but as this boundary moves west, there could be a few little showers popping up from time to time this afternoon. So a shower in spots today, but no heavy rain expected today. Most places looking partly sunny and dry, highs in the 90s today. Rain chances still kind of hanging in there each day through the weekend, and if we do get a little increase in the moisture, we could see a few more numerous showers maybe as early as Friday or Saturday. We'll show you that here coming up in a minute. But mosquitoes, they are still out there. I think maybe my neighborhood got sprayed because all of a sudden, like, they're mostly gone, you know, except they are still out there at night. But still some very high activity. If you're trying to eat outdoors or do something outdoors, for most of you, in a lot of places, especially that still have some standing water around, watch out for, you know, the high humidity, relative humidity hours, especially toward the late evening, night, and morning hours near sunrise. And not much wind around. You notice the breeze has mostly been gone, so those mosquitoes, they like to fly around when there's not much wind to blow them off course, and that's what we have out there now. So be careful still walking the dog or taking yourself for a little walk or run today. Temperatures back in the low 90s. Small chance for a shower this afternoon, but really not too hot for typical August weather around here. Future track does have a little rain on it. Again, we have the sea breeze that is coming in, but without a lot of moisture, it is only able to maybe cause a few small showers today. So by 1 p.m. it shows the sea breeze kind of moving in, and maybe a shower or two in parts of the mid and lower valley, and all the way through about 4 or 5 p.m. Totally no more than a 20% shower chance at the most today. Then we're dry by sunset and this evening everywhere. So, you know, almost all of you watching probably won't have any rain today. Kind of the same story tomorrow. You see the sea breeze tries to form later in the morning and afternoon, maybe a little shower in spots during the daytime. But again, most places look dry. Maybe a 20 or 30% chance for rain at the most. That could increase a little more on Friday. And what's happening is you don't see anything out here in the Gulf of Mexico, but, you know, a little shower here and there. But there is moisture. When you look kind of at the overall moisture content in the atmosphere, this is using one of the computer models. These sort of yellowish colors indicate where the air is getting more moisture in it. And notice that's still out in the Gulf, but watch over time as we go into Thursday and Friday, that area of moisture creeps a little bit closer. So just with the added moisture in the air, especially by later Friday and Saturday, that might help the sea breeze come to life a little more toward the weekend. Could also give you a little bit better chance of some heavier downpours in spots, not just a little light shower. So that's still kind of iffy, but that might be coming our way over the weekend, beginning Friday, going into Saturday, that increased moisture. Today, partly sunny, a 20% chance for a shower. Most places pretty dry, though, and a decent amount of sunshine. And by tonight, we're mainly dry after sunset everywhere. Lows in the 70s with clear to partly cloudy skies, maybe some patchy clouds late at night. And the first 1-5 AccuWeather 7-day forecast. Still not too hot for August. You know, we're actually coming up on statistically the hottest time of the year in the valley, which is kind of centered around this weekend and early next week. We'll probably do a graphic on that for you tomorrow if you want to tune in. But really pretty good temperatures for this time of year. A lot of days in August we get those high temperatures in the upper 90s and lower 100s, but we're not hitting that this time. Partly sunny skies most days through the weekend. We could see the clouds build up from time to time with a shower or a weak storm in spots. Again, you saw the increase in moisture over the weekend may provide a few brief heavy downpours of an inch or so in spots, but small rain chances each day, about 20% or so, continue into early next week. So we will continue to track those rain chances in your first 1-5 forecast throughout the week on Channel 5 News at noon.